What if a luxury SUV could be a chameleon? Perfectly comfortable on a school run one moment and a thrilling athletic machine on a mountain pass the next? Welcome back to AutoNerveX, where we are diving deep into the vehicle that aims to be exactly that, the all-new, completely redesigned 2026 BMW X5. This isn't just a facelift. This is a ground-up reinvention of a legendary German icon, and we're here to uncover every detail of its exterior. Interior, staggering performance, and of course, what it will cost you. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the exterior. BMW has taken a bold step with the design of this new X5. It retains the classic, muscular proportions we all know, the long hood, the short overhangs, the commanding presence. But the details are where the revolution lies. The iconic kidney grille is now larger and more vertically oriented, but it's seamlessly integrated into the front fascia, flanked by slimmer, more aggressive LED headlights that feature the latest laser light technology. The overall silhouette is sleeker, with a more raked roofline and a pronounced character line that runs the length of the vehicle, giving it a sense of motion even when standing still. At the rear, the new shaped LED taillights are connected by a slim light bar, creating a wider, more planted stance. It's a design that manages to be both more elegant and more aggressive than its predecessor, a difficult balance to strike, but one that BMW has achieved masterfully. Now, step inside, and you are greeted by what BMW calls the living space cockpit. This is a monumental leap forward in interior design and technology. The first thing you'll notice is the stunning, curved display that houses both the digital instrument cluster and the infotainment touchscreen. It's a single, seamless piece of glass that flows across the dashboard. Running BMW's latest operating system 9, it's incredibly intuitive, with crisp graphics and lightning-fast responses. The traditional gear lever is gone, replaced by a sleek, minimalist toggle switch on the center console, which contributes to an incredibly clean and open feel. The materials are, as expected, top tier. You'll find premium Vernasca leather, authentic matte finish wood trim, and polished metal accents throughout. The seats are supremely comfortable and offer exceptional support with available massage, heating, and ventilation. Space is generous in both rows, and with the optional third row, it becomes a truly versatile family hauler. The cabin is also incredibly quiet thanks to extensive sound-deadening materials and acoustic glass, making it a serene sanctuary from the outside world. But the real story of the 2026 X5 is under the skin. This is where the chameleon-like character truly comes to life. We are focusing on the flagship powertrain for this review, the xDrive40i plug-in hybrid. This system combines a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine with a powerful electric motor integrated into the transmission. The combined output is a staggering 483 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. The result is performance that is nothing short of breathtaking. Stomp on the accelerator, and the X5 launches forward with a silent, electric-assisted surge that quickly builds into a fierce six-cylinder roar. The sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour is dispatched in a mere 4.6 seconds, which is sports car territory for a vehicle of this size. The magic, however, is in its versatility. In pure electric mode, you have an estimated range of 40 miles, making most daily commutes completely emission-free. When the battery is depleted, it operates as a brilliant hybrid, seamlessly blending power sources for maximum efficiency. The ride quality is sublime, thanks to the standard adaptive air suspension that soaks up road imperfections with ease, while the optional rear axle steering makes it feel surprisingly nimble in city traffic and tight parking lots. It's a vehicle that genuinely can do it all, from silent, efficient school runs to being a confident and powerful cross-country tourer. Of course, all this technology, luxury, and performance comes at a price. The 2026 BMW X5 has a starting MSRP that reflects its premium positioning. The base xDrive40i model, with its turbocharged inline-six, begins at approximately $68,000. However, the plug-in hybrid xDrive40i model we've been discussing starts at a higher point. around $72,000. It is crucial to remember that this is just the starting point. BMW's extensive options list can quickly elevate the price. Desirable features like the Executive Package, the M Sport Package, enhanced driver assistance systems, and premium audio can easily add another $15,000 to $20,000 to the sticker price. A fully loaded xDrive40i will comfortably cross the $90,000 threshold. This places it firmly in the upper echelon of the mid-size luxury SUV segment, competing directly with the Mercedes-Benz GIL and the Audi Q7. So, what is the final verdict from AutoNerveX? The 2026 BMW X5 is a tour de force. It successfully redefines what a modern luxury SUV should be. It is not just a vehicle that excels in one area. It is exceptionally competent in nearly all of them. It offers a stunning and technologically advanced interior, a bold and confident exterior design, and a plug-in hybrid powertrain that delivers both staggering performance and remarkable real-world efficiency. It is a vehicle that truly lives up to its ultimate driving machine heritage while providing the comfort, space, and luxury that modern buyers demand. While the price can escalate quickly with options, the value proposition for a machine this capable and multifaceted is undeniable. The 2026 BMW X5 isn't just a successor, it is a worthy new king of the luxury SUV hill. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to AutoNerveX and hit the bell icon for more content. Let us know in the comments what you think of this new German icon. Thanks for watching.